Well, we weren't even... She's trying to drive the fucking...
The video begins with officers stopping Jennifer and immediately referencing a no-contact condition involving a woman named Jennifer McGillen. From the start, Jennifer appears confused, repeatedly saying he didn't know he wasn't allowed to be near her, only that he was told he couldn't be at her apartment.
Jennifer! So you know you can't be around her, right?
I had no idea.
What's up?
I had no idea. I just knew I couldn't be at the place.
Put your stuff right there?
Am I going to jail or something?
Yeah.
For what?
So you can't be around her. You know that, right?
I didn't know. They told me I can't be at the place with her.
You can't be, no contact with her.
I didn't know that.
Put your hands...
They said I can't be at the...
Put your hands together like you're praying. Put your cigarette up.
Put it out?
Yep.
I can't smoke it?
Nope.
What's up? I'm all right.
Jennifer asks directly if he's going to jail and why. Officers explain that the condition isn't limited to a specific place. It means no contact at all. Jennifer pushes back, saying that distinction was never clearly explained to him.
You can't be around her.
I didn't know. They said I can't be at the place. That's all they said.
You're not supposed to have any contact, man.
Well, they didn't say that.
If you want to talk, I'll talk to you real quick. I understand, but he can't be with you.
You're walking down the same street, I apologize.
Jennifer, no. Don't give me a hug. I love you. Well, you can give me a hug.
No, we're not going to do that.
I love you.
You have anything on you?
No, not medicine.
Call common note 172. You can log on 1095. You know, I'm not trying to ruin your day, man, but you can't be around her. You know what I'm saying?
You can, though. Even if it's not court ordered. Even if it is, you guys can.
He explains that he was walking to get his medication and insists the encounter wasn't planned. According to Jennifer, they just happened to be walking on the same street and he apologizes, saying he wasn't trying to break any rules.
Well, you guys can, you know? 'Cause I ain't doing nothing wrong, just walking.
No, you guys were walk together, man. You can't do that.
I was staying at the park last night. And then I walked this way, then she was walking this way. I didn't even know she was walking this way.
Did you see me? I saw you. I was at Blackstone. I see you guys walking together, talking.
I was walking this way.
I'm not going to argue.
I'm just saying, I was walking down this way, and then she texted me and said she was going to get her medicine. I said, well, I'm right by the apartment. Well, I didn't have no contact. I was just walking.
Excuse me?
Well, we weren't even... She's trying to drive the fucking... She told my son yesterday to my Suboxone. Well, I talked to the judge. They said they didn't say... they said no contact at the apartment. No, they didn't say nothing that I could be at a building and stay with another friend of mine. They just said no contact to her apartment.
You have anything else on you?
No.
Okay, I'm going to put you in the back of my car, okay?
The officers respond by explaining what they personally observed. They say they saw Jennifer and her walking together, talking and interacting, which, in their view, clearly qualifies as contact under the conditions.
Did you guys get the dollar in there?
In your pocket?
At quarters.
It's in your other pocket.
In my other pocket, the quarters?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to buckle up, man? You got a bag?
I hope. Probably not. You have one? Welcome, Mendoza 172. Could you also add Jennifer McGillen to the sketch, please?
Doing it now.
Appreciate you. I know you're frustrated. I gotta fill out the ticket and fingerprint them. I know you're frustrated, no? I know you are. I know you're frustrated. You have every right to be
I
frustrated.
didn't even do none, you know, and I never caused anybody problem. I could have not even stopped and kept going. But
I would have chased you down.
But I don't do that shit.
I know you don't. That's what
I've never done that with you guys.
As the conversation continues, frustration becomes more noticeable. Jennifer says he isn't trying to ruin anyone's day and points out that he didn't run or resist. Officers acknowledge his frustration but remind him that the conditions still apply regardless.
I know. But if you would have ran, I would have caught you.
Yeah, probably.
Oh. Are you using
No,
this?
you can go ahead. Sit down. I'll be down here in a minute.
Face me. I know you're frustrated. You have every right to do.
Stupid, I didn't even do nothing. Because I was talking to my son, I said, Colton, I can't have any contact with her. He said, why? I said, because they told me no contact. And then I had to be walking in town and she's walking to get her medicine, so, you know, it ain't like we were holding each other's hand, kissing each other, even though I asked her for a hug.
I know. All right, face that wall for me. You got nothing else on you?
Nothing else on me but that change.
I know, that's fine. What are you doing? You
I got another pair of shorts on.
Put your hands on that wall. Spread your feet. Try to at least.
I got two jackets on.
You're good. Take this jacket off.
Jennifer disagrees with that interpretation. He insists they weren't together intentionally and says he wasn't trying to initiate contact. He emphasizes that he wasn't holding hands, hugging, or trying to be affectionate.
My buddy George, Big George, Fat George, I don't know if you know him.
Who?
George, we call him Fat, not the guy that junks with the white truck and junks.
Uh-huh.
The other George.
The other one.
Fat. I called him yesterday because he's my sponsor and he lives there. And he brought me my medicine to the gas station last night. So I don't have seizures and stuff.
Pull your drawers up. Alright, next one. Alright, put those shoes back on. Sit down for me. Scoot over this way.
Quarter
I'll pick it up. Scoot over.
You know what this is all about, or you'll talk to me when
Yeah, I'll talk to you. You're under arrest for the violation of bail bond conditions.
you only got to. I already know, but I know you got to.
I'm gonna get the rest of your property,
And
okay?
when I talked to my probation officer, he said that it wasn't even in the system yet. Because I asked him. So I said, I know it says right here on the paper that I can't go to that apartment, but it didn't say nothing about I can't be at that place, at the building.
You have contact with Jennifer.
Just Jennifer, but I can still be at the building.
Hold on, let me get yourself. We'll talk, Leonard. One step at a time, man.
Jennifer is formally informed that he's under arrest for violating bail bond conditions. He says he already suspected this might happen, but maintains that his probation officer told him the order wasn't fully entered into the system yet.
More than likely, I'll probably dump your coffee out.
Can you drink it?
No.
Come on, man.
I don't know what's in there.
It's coffee and water. You
I ain't
can take a drink of it.
I ain't gonna taste it.
You can take a drink of it. It's coffee.
And then more than likely, if you want, I'll put your property in a bag there and put your name on it so you can pick it up after. Because more than likely, they're probably gonna throw away the cigarettes.
Cigarettes, you can keep that here and I'll pick it up from you guys.
And then probably your meds.
My meds, they'll keep it, so, because
Yeah.
I take them on there.
And then your vape pen, probably leave it there.
Right here. And then my phone, you can, I can, they'll.
The focus turns to logistics and property. Officers begin inventorying Jennifer's belongings, his coffee, cigarettes, vape pen, phone, and medication, explaining what will be kept, what may be discarded, and what he can retrieve later. Officers read Jennifer his Miranda rights. He initially jokes that he doesn't understand, then confirms that he does. He agrees to keep talking, still hoping to clarify how the situation escalated.
I just leave it on.
All right, man.
When I get there. You don't remember that?
What?
The rights.
I just always read them, man.
Oh, come on, man.
Always read them, dude. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights I explained to you?
Nope.
No?
You know I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
Yes.
Okay. So, Leonard, you can be with her, right?
Yes, I know. I have
Okay.
paperwork. It was in my pocket, but then I threw it away because I remember the court case made clear to my head.
Okay, so you know you're not supposed to be around her.
Yes.
Okay? You didn't just walk there and she just popped out. Okay?
No.
All right, you were hanging with her, and you
I
know.
wasn't hanging with her. I was walking down the street and she was going to the their medicine.
Where did you make the coffee at?
She made it and gave it to me.
Okay, so you have contact with her.
Well, I didn't
You
have
know-
contact with her. I told my son I wanted coffee, and he said, "Well, I'll see if Jennifer can bake you some and bring it to you." I said, "No." I said, "See if she can call George and bring it to me." But my son said George won't answer because he's my sponsor
There's no
and
number.
he helps me through all this.
In-house.
And so she brought me the coffee.
Okay. But like I said, you had contact with her. You're walking next to her down the street. You know what I mean? So like, I gotta do my job.
I know. I'm not
Even
gonna
if she wants to drop the charges for domestic battery, if she does, that's fine. But
my son said that she called yesterday to try to drop him, but the state's attorney's office said that it's not in their hands to drop it. That she had to have an interview with like the crimes.
Jennifer gives a longer explanation of the background between himself and Jennifer McGillen. He talks about prior arguments, denies any violence, and says he refused to press charges because he cared about her.
Something with the crimes or something, but my son, he had no idea, which my son, he's only 13, he don't know nothing about that stuff. So he said he didn't know, he couldn't tell me. So I was talking to my probation officer, Heath, about it, and I was like, I didn't even do nothing to her.
like I said, man,
Look at my neck.
I wasn't there, and then
And he's seen it yesterday, my neck. And he's like, well, I said, well, the cop talked to her first, and she don't have a record in her background, which you guys know that. She's never been to jail, so I love her. So when they said, you want to press charges because of my neck, I said no. And she said no at first, which in domestic battery, if no one does, you both go to jail.
depending on the circumstances.
She said nothing happened. She called the cops because she wanted me to get away from her. And I was annoying her by saying, I'm not going nowhere, this is my apartment. I'm the head of the household. I pay the bills. Tomorrow, I got to go to the township and pay my bills. Because I didn't do it yesterday because I went to jail Monday at 10:30. So I called Peggy this morning, or yesterday, and told her that if I can make the appointment. And she said, yeah. That's fine, we can make it for Friday.
He also explains his understanding of the court paperwork, believing it only restricted him from her apartment, not from being in the same public area. Officers respond that receiving items from her and walking next to her still counts as contact.
Wednesday at 10 o'clock, and then right after that, Heath, my probation officer for drug court, he told me, well, MCAT won't pick you up anywhere else because there's a prescription ride, that you go to the building and stand down the corner because we don't have the order in yet on what the cops on there said, not the lawyer, the judge said, it's not in the system yet. When I do, I'll call you. And yeah, I haven't got a call from him this morning yet. And that's what I was gonna do, stand on the corner because I told him, in the order it says, no contact with Jennifer McGillen and 609. That's the apartment. And then if I wanted to come get some clothes and stuff to change, I'd have to call you guys. And I haven't even showered. I was gonna shower yesterday, but I went to pre-trial release and
I get it.
in the county, but
So like I said,
I know you guys are doing the job, but
so like I said, I'm gonna fill out the citation, fingerprint photograph you, and then transport you. Do you want to make any phone calls?
it's my probation officer.
Okay.
I got his number in my phone. I don't know it by hand. Open my wallet up. If you guys wanna.
The video concludes with officers explaining the next steps: citation, fingerprinting, photographs, and transport. Jennifer remains frustrated but cooperative, highlighting how misunderstandings around legal restrictions and chance encounters can quickly result in arrest.
Push the stroller.
No, I don't want to go.
Lexi, push the...
The encounter begins inside a private business, where officers inform Lexi that she is no longer welcome on the property. Store management has asked that she leave, and officers immediately make it clear that this is a lawful request tied to the business's right to control who remains inside.
So, that's not really an option, all right? I'm going to talk to you out there, and then I'm going to talk to him, okay?
I don't want to talk anything.
Then we can just go outside. You are not allowed here.
For what reason?
They've asked you to leave. If you want, we can bring you out in handcuffs and we charge you with trespassing and leave the baby here. Or, you can come outside and talk to me. We can be civil, we can work this out, and then we can handle it out there, okay?
I'm not sure the reason I can't be in the
I just told you. The bag. Outside.
For what reason?
I just told you!
Lexi questions the decision, asking repeatedly why she has to leave. Officers explain that because this is private property, staff are not required to give a reason once they decide someone must go. At this point, the interaction remains verbal and non-confrontational.
Then can I get my phone?
I will get it before we leave. Grab the bag. Get outside.
Hello?
Now.
I know I'm leaving. There's no reason why I can't be here. I know.
Grab the bag. Let's go. Or I'm going to grab it.
But for what reason?
I just told you. They asked you to leave. You're trespassing.
Stop.
Grab the bag.
You're gonna cause problems for.
The bag.
There's no reason why I can't.
I
be
just
here.
told you.
No, I don't want to leave. There's no
I don't
reason.
care if you want to leave. That's not how this works. Grab the bag. Push the baby.
Stop causing problems.
Go.
For what reason I can't?
I'm grabbing
be
it.
here?
And I'll push the baby.
Don't touch the stroller.
Go.
Why can't I be here? No, I'm not leaving.
As the discussion continues, officers warn Lexi that refusing to leave could result in a criminal trespass charge. Despite multiple explanations, she continues to argue and stays in place, holding her child and refusing to move toward the exit. The tone begins to shift as officers present her with clear choices: leave the store voluntarily with her child or be placed under arrest. Lexi responds by asking for a supervisor and insisting the situation isn't fair.
No,
Outside.
No, I'm not leaving.
Yes, you are.
No.
Go.
No. Why, Eric?
Go.
No. Why can't I be here?
Go.
Please, no.
Now.
I'm not leaving then. I'm not leaving. No, I want my phone then.
Do you want to leave in handcuffs?
No, I'm not. Why can't I be here?
I just told you.
There's no reason. He doesn't even have a reason.
Stop
No.
acting like this.
I don't want to leave. No.
You're leaving. You're not going back in there.
No.
Yes.
Let me in now! Okay. I don't want to leave! No! There's
Why
no
don't you
reason.
wanna leave?
Because...
Why don't you wanna
Mom,
leave?
I'm not leaving!
Why?
There's no reason! Why can't I be here?
Why do you want to stay?
Why? Because I can!
No, you can't.
No!
That's what
I
I'm
don't
telling
want to leave!
You are leaving.
No, I don't want to!
I don't care.
Then go say something! I can be here if I want!
I just talked to him, and he said no, he said
I
no,
don't
they
want
said no.
to!
I don't care.
No! I'm not leaving!
Stop.
I want to speak to a supervisor then.
Okay, let's go outside and you talk to
No.
him.
Officers take time to explain the potential consequences, including how an arrest could complicate matters involving her child. They emphasize that their goal is compliance, not arrest, and that walking out peacefully is still an option.
I want to stay here.
Hey, your options right now are leave, pushing your child, and go home, or I take you in handcuffs and then mom picks up the baby.
Can I speak to your supervisor?
Sure. You're definitely going to be able to speak to him if you don't go outside.
I
And you
can't.
can't- stop screaming.
No!
Stop
I'm pissed
yelling.
off now.
Yeah.
Lexi, do you understand that if you don't leave, you will be placed under arrest for trespassing?
Yeah, I know. I don't care. I wanted to stay here. There's no reason why I can't. Why can't you just ask
So,
me?
here's another thing.
Hey, this is a private business. If they don't want you here, you can't stay here. That's how that goes. They're asking you to leave. Let's go.
I don't want to.
I don't care what you
Can
want.
you just ask?
Why don't you be a grown-up, push your stroller, and walk out? You're not staying here. Regardless of how much you want to stay here, you're not staying here. I'm recording you too
There's no. I want to know the specific reason.
because they don't want you here. They don't need a specific reason.
Does not want you here.
Yeah, but it's gonna be fine an hour later and tell me to come back.
You're not allowed back.
Why?
Your actions. Period.
What actions? When he was sitting in the room and screaming at me and spitting at me,
So did you?
I was mad and raised my voice. Sorry, that's a problem.
So then
It
you come
is.
out here and you
We gotta
start
go.
raising your voice again. So you have to leave.
I want to talk to him before I go then.
No, you can't.
I'll leave if I can
That's
talk
a
to
no.
him.
No, you're not talking to him.
Okay,
Call
give me my
him.
phone. I want my phone.
Call him.
Then give me my phone.
He needs his phone so you can call him.
No, I want my phone.
Lexi, you're not
I
saying
don't want to leave.
I don't care. You're leaving.
I can't say one thing.
No.
Why?
Because I said so.
Why?
Let's go.
I don't. You don't understand. What did I do?
The time
Nothing.
for you to say something to him is over. We're done. Go. Now.
I don't want to.
I don't care. Be a grown-up. Push your baby outside.
I can't say one thing.
No.
Why?
Because they don't want you here. You're
Lexi continues to refuse, standing her ground and declining to push the stroller or exit the store. Officers issue repeated warnings, carefully documenting her refusal and making sure each instruction is clearly stated.
disturbing other patients. Look how many people you have here. Yeah, we're working on it.
I want to speak to the supervisor, then I'll get arrested.
Listen, criminal trespass with the new law makes it a little bit tougher. She gets a ticket. I can't take her anywhere I want to, unless it's multiple offenses. I'm working on it. Thank you. Lexi, let's go. Push. Now. He's right here. He's outside. Let's
I
go.
want to speak right now.
I'm pushing it or you're pushing it. Those are our options. Make a decision. Am I pushing the stroller or you?
I want to speak to the
Let's go.
supervisor first. No, don't touch my daughter then.
The option's
Stop
been made.
touching it! Stop!
Push
Don't
the
touch-
stroller.
No, I don't want to go.
Lexi, push the
no!
stroller out.
Stop! Stop touching her! Stop!
Look what you're doing.
I don't want to go. No!
I don't care.
I want to go. I want to stay here. There's no reason why I can't stay. Stop!
After multiple attempts to gain voluntary compliance fail, officers determine there are no remaining alternatives. Lexi is informed she is under arrest for trespassing, and officers begin placing her in handcuffs.
No, too late. Stop. Stop. You made a decision. Stop. Stop.
Stop touching me!
Stop. You are now under arrest. You made a decision. You are under arrest.
Call my mom!
Okay, you are under arrest. Lexi, stop.
Stop touching me!
I'm trying to double locking the handcuffs so it doesn't tighten on your wrist. Knock it off. Relax. Relax. Lexi, take a deep breath.
No, let me
Take
just
a
go.
deep breath.
Let me just go.
No, it's too
Walk
late.
into the car!
No, you had that choice. Lexi,
No! You told my mom to pick her up.
take a deep breath.
No, I can't leave without my daughter.
Grab the baby.
I can't leave. No! Stop touching me.
Shush.
I want my daughter. You can't
The
touch
daughter's coming. My buddy's bringing her.
me. Stop touching me.
No.
Once restrained, Lexi becomes visibly emotional, repeatedly asking about her daughter and expressing fear over being separated. Officers speak calmly, explaining that her child will not be harmed and that arrangements will be made.
Give me my daughter. Can you let go of me?
No.
Where is she? I don't see her.
She's coming.
I don't see my daughter. I don't see her. Give her to me. Give her to me now. Give her to me. I need to
Stop
call my
reaching.
mom.
You're not reaching for anything.
No, give me to her now. Give me my daughter. I need to call my mom.
You're calling her when we get to the station.
Then where's my daughter going?
She's coming with
I
us.
don't even have a car seat.
You have a car seat.
Yeah, you're not taking my car. I need to
Calling your mom right
call my mom. Just let me go and I'll leave.
Oh, you had that choice. I gave you that option. This is what you chose.
Officers clarify the plan moving forward. Lexi will be transported to the station, while her daughter will be released to a family member. They continue reassuring her, adjusting the handcuffs and monitoring her condition.
I need my daughter.
She's coming. We'll figure it out.
No, I can call my mom if I want.
Let's see. Have you gotten to do anything you wanted to do since I've been here?
Can I call my mom?
That's better. No, you can't.
I need my daughter. I need my daughter now. No, don't touch my phone. Stop. You can't be. Just take me in the car. I'm already pissed off. Just take me in.
I don't care if you're pissed off.
I need
Shush.
my daughter. I need to call my mom. I need to call my mom. I need to. My mom. I don't have anything.
I don't care. This is what we have to do.
I need to call my mom. Please. I need to call my mom. Please. Please. I need to call my mom. I need to call my mom. Please, these hurt. I can't. I need to call my mom. I need to call my mom. I can't type it in.
What is it?
06.
06.
Yeah, I know.
Lexi is allowed to contact her mother. Officers explain where the child will be picked up and how custody will be handled, attempting to reduce her anxiety while continuing the arrest process.
What am I supposed to tell her?
Tell her to come to the hospital and pick up the baby.
Can you come to the hospital, Mom? They arrested me. There's no reason why I can't be here.
Okay, I'm talking to Mom. I'm gonna bring her to the station. The baby will be here for you to pick up. All right. I can leave the officer with the car keys too, just in case you don't have a car seat in the car.
Try and put this hand, like that. Does that feel better?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then if you want to pick her up at the
Just
station,
give us a little
I'll
bit.
give you a call.
What that officer just explained to your mom is we got to bring you to the station now. We got to do our process. Your baby's going to be released to your mom like you wanted. And then we'll explain the rest to you once we get to the station, okay?
We gave her that option. We told her that might be a possibility, and she said she didn't care.
I never said that.
You did.
No, I did not.
So.
The incident concludes with officers confirming the charges: criminal trespass and resisting without violence. What began as a request to leave a store ultimately escalated due to continued refusal to comply with the lawful orders.